Hello students, so in that video we have to see how to make one structural framing of our building or of our structure. So for that I have make levels here, just like that I have made level 1 for the ground level, then plane, then first floor, second floor and the terrace floor. Now we can go for the level 1 and start to place the elements. First of all I have placed the footing over here, and I want it on all the grids, hence select all the grids and just simply finish. You can see the footings are placed. So you can see the footings are placed on the level 1. Now we can go for placing the columns, like the columns from the ground floor to plane, that is called as a stub column. We have to place here. I'm putting the height of the stub column as a 1 meter or some kind of 1.2, that kind. Go to the level column, select the concrete columns and place this column here. Now I selected all the grids. Okay, the columns are placed. So that is the plinth, that is the footings up to plinth level. Now I can go to level 3 and place the same columns on here for the ground floor. I'm selected all the grids. Now we can see the columns are placed over it. Now I want to place the beams over the columns. So I can go to level 2, select beams, from center to center. We have to place the beams over the structure. Just like that, we have to put the beams over here. Just like that, we have placed the plinth plinth beams. We have set the plinth stub columns, then plinth beams, then columns on the first floor. Now I go to next level and place the beams. I just simply copy the beams of our previous like plinth beams and paste it to here. That is also you can do. Now you can see the beams are placed over here. So this is our first floor grid. Just like same we can make for the second floor also. I have to select this all the column and beams and just deselect the grids. Now I want to copy this and paste, align to selected levels. Now I want to place this on level 4. Okay. Now you can see the structural model of our. So these are the second floor beams. If we wanted to be continued this beam on next floor, you can also continue this beam just like that. We move to level 5. So this is our structural framing of our structure, just like the footings, stuck columns, column of ground floor, column of first floor, and the beams. This is how you can make structure. Thank you.